All right, well, welcome everyone. This is the fourth reporters call. Just have a few updates for everyone. Yeah, let's get into it. If I can, there we go. So we have integrated the changes needed to report to Polygon, Tellor Flex specifically. So those changes are in the docs in PyTelliot feed examples. Those have been linked in Discord and whatnot. There's new staking requirements and info in the docs as well about that. We've introduced, thanks to Mike, encrypted files for all of your account information, private keys and whatnot. Also, now if you're using the supported client, the Python client, there's the ability to sync up your reporter with everyone else. And this is to reduce the amount of reverted transactions and transactions that are going through where you don't get a reward, but they still go through for like submitting the value. It essentially syncs up which query ID that you're reporting to. And this is also good for us because it provides some variation in what's being reported, because right now a lot of it's just ETHUSD. And then also there's a lot of command line interface updates. So definitely want to check out the docs for those. Charlie's going to be talking a little bit about what's going on with Algorand. I'm still working on payment contract for Ricochet Exchange. And then we have, if you check out on the Discord, we're still moving things forward with a few different users, League DAO, Morphware, and you can go check out some of the repositories that we're linking down there, like data specs. It's pretty interesting about forming the specifics of what kind of data that you can put on chain. And the other thing too is Mike is working on a listener dashboard. I think he wants that ready for ETH Denver, so that should be coming out soon as well. Tally, do you want to say some things about Algorand?
Yeah, sure. Hey, reporters. This next 2 weeks, and pretty much also as well leading up to ETH Denver, I'm working on compiling, testing, and deploying an equivalent or as close to an equivalent of Tellor Flex on Algorand. And in that process also as well, I'll be working on scheduling the submission of values with a simple signer. And then as we progress, in this time, we're exploring, I think like, I know I called it a fork, I would probably call it more of a modification in terms of how much will change to the code base, but we're exploring modification to PyTelliot to make it more suitable for the sort of blockchain and smart contract language that Algo has. And for context, Algorand is quite different than Ethereum. By design, they intentionally they use different consensus algorithm, and with that, a different smart contract language, and with that, even a different mechanism for addresses and ABIs and contract language itself. So it's still a work in progress and still something to think out, but it's a sort of situation where the long-term goal is to have integration with an algo build of Tellor on Algorand with it's sort of like integration of and cohesion with the greater Tellor ecosystem. Yeah.
Sweet. Yeah. Quick call this time, but let us know if you want anything included in the next one in the reporters channel on Discord. Thanks, y'all.